All right, it's November 15th, and shit, what a day. Honestly, today just wasn't the day. I just could not read price. I mean, not just read the price, but just didn't work with my system today. So, yeah, I had two trades, and one of them had a 3 point stop loss. The second one had a 2.5 point stop loss, so lost about 5.5 points. And yeah, only went with two contracts, so really small. So only down 61 on the day, but I mean, we were break even yesterday, so now this week we're down $60. So a little frustrating because I mean, it kind of seems a lot now. Just because I mean, I feel like I'm having small winners. And I mean, what is it now? We've had one win, four losses. So I mean, one win can bring us back. So I gotta look at it that way. Tomorrow's gonna be a different day, but I think I won't even be able to trade in the morning. Really, there's like a period in the morning, like I can trade like the first 30 minutes, but then after that, it's because we're getting our router changed, so I won't have internet, which is frustrating. But anyways, let's go over these trades. So we opened up, or I'll say pre-market low right here, and then I have this level drawn up here, which isn't the pre-market high. Pre-market high, I guess technically would be right up here, but I had this level right here, 45, 33, 75. Had that drawn out right there just because I was watching it, because on SPY we kept projecting off of it, and on a higher time frame, from about September 14th, this is where we topped out at. So I mean, I kind of just had that level drawn and woke up this morning to us rejecting it. So that would played. I watched that this morning. Wanted to keep my eye on it. So I mean, watching these two levels, I was very cautious going into this morning, just because I didn't want to get caught in between them, exactly like I did. So opened up in the morning, first 50 minutes, 15-minute range, kind of smaller compared to the 15-minute ranges this past week. So I mean, we made a nice break through it, pushed through the pre-market low. Not too much though. This is only like a point, I think, not like 2 points, and then came back up, had a nice wick to retest 15-minute range, which I thought looked good. And I mean, I wanted to take it. Yeah, it didn't go my way, obviously. This is the one I had a 3 point stop, just because I think VWAP is up here at the time when I got stopped out, so I couldn't place it above VWAP because that would have been too big of a stop, so not a good risk reward. So I thought 3 point stop would have been good because 2 point stop would have been too small. So got stopped out on that one, but wasn't too frustrated on that one. I wasn't frustrated at all, just because I mean, we had a nice wick right here, and so I mean, it looked like a good trade, just didn't work out. So I was like, okay, I'm just looking out for the next setup. I can easily make my money back, small loss. So I mean, honestly, this was the next setup I was looking for. It looked like we kind of just faked going short, and then buyers tapped in. So we pushed up above 15-minute range, and then the high or this resistance level that I just showed you, we pushed through that a little bit. Only it looks like about 1.5 maybe. So not too much, just like this one. So I should have been more cautious around these levels. I mean, I did tell you I was cautious already, but I guess I wasn't cautious enough because, yeah, I got stopped out on both of them. So, and I had this channel drawn at the time. So, I mean, we came back down to test 15-minute range, and looked like we were at the bottom of this channel, and also bounced off EMA. And I did actually take a limit order for this one, just because recently we've been, if we did fake out and push above, or vice versa, this would seem to work out but entered in 2.5 point stop, and literally you can see right here, which I mean there's so many things I could change about this trade that would make it work, but it's hard to say. Like instead of getting in on the 15-minute range, I could have gone in on EMA and had maybe a 3-point stop, because if I got in on the EMA I probably still would have got ticked out, just because it's like got ticked out at 4528 and then 3 ticks below. So I mean I would have got ticked out anyway if I would have gotten EMA, but if I got an EMA and had a 3-point stop, I would have, this trade would have worked out. So I mean I just got ticked out literally, which was frustrating because I mean I had 5 points, which was around up here. It's 2.8, so it'd be, I think it would be right here. I think, yeah. So my initials would be right here, and then if I would have had a runner, I probably would have got stopped out for break even. So I mean, it would have been a small win, but I think I would have been break even on the day if this one were to work out. But yeah, I mean, after this, we just didn't look like, to me, after these 2 losses, because I have kind of a thing set in my head where if I take 2 losses in a row, I kind of just take a break for a little bit. But after not really taking a clear direction in the market today, after this, getting stopped out on both of them, I thought we'd be consolidating all day. It wasn't going to be a big move today, which I was kind of right. I mean, we didn't really have any good moves, because I mean after that second loss I wasn't paying attention to the market really at all. I was still at my desk just because I was on the stream. Fucking, I want to plug the stream, but I don't want y'all going to the stream. I don't know why I just said that. I mean, if y'all want to go to the stream, fucking kick.com/out of the money. I'll put in the link in the description, but I mean there's like, I get like 4 views per video, so honestly I probably won't even put in the description, so don't even check. But yeah, I mean I was still at my desk anyways, but I wasn't paying attention really at all, just because I didn't want to take a trade. I didn't want to take another loss. I figured we'd be chopping, which we did after this, and then I left because I had to go to class at 11. So yeah, the only trade I really could have taken looking back was this one right here, just because I mean this is the resistance, and I mean we were just kind of chopping, and there was a nice wick, but honestly I wouldn't take that again looking back on it, just because we were chopping so much and it's not a clear move, even though it would have been a nice move down, but we were chopping so much beforehand. I wouldn't have taken this. It's just getting into chop, and then it just would have been, it's just a random move, so didn't like that at all. Wouldn't take it. But anyways, down 61. I think might be able to pull up my fucking eval account, because I started at 10k. I'm getting close to just blowing this account up. Yes, I'm getting very close. So my max drawdown is 95.38. So shit, about $60 away, $62 away. So I mean, if I get stopped out twice, like, I'm done with this account. Which I mean, I don't really care. I'm resetting the account anyways. Like, I'm blowing it up before the 28th, because it's the next time I pay for the month, so I need to blow it up anyways. But I mean, I'd like not to blow it up on accident. I'd like to blow it up on purpose. So shit, is what it is. Today was just not a good day, and yeah, we'll be back at it Thursday and Friday. Keep our head on a swivel, keep learning, keep progressing. Man, the life of a trader. I know y'all can feel my pain right now. And I mean, shit, shout out Daniel. I mean, that boy going through it. On God. I mean, shit, I'm gonna shout him out. I'm gonna put his channel in the description. He's out of the money. Y'all can go check out his video. He got fucking shit on today. Y'all need to go check that out. For real.